Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The MO. If you ever wanted to build your own AI app like ChatGPT, a document chatbot, or even a workflow assistant without coding everything from scratch, then you are going to love this. So, this is the landing page of Dify AI. Here you will find all the information you need, what Dify is, how it works, and what all things you can achieve using Dify AI. So, to start with, we can click Get Started over here. So this is the landing page of TP, and we can find multiple options over here like workflow, chat flow, chatbot, agent, and completion. So there are multiple things in one place. So again we have similar types like explore. Here you can search for some predefined solutions for learning things. We can these are acting like a template. We can explore using that, try it out, and then start customizing that as per our need. And the next is studios is the place. It's a canvas where you will find all your agents which you have done for yourself, so we can show it here. And this is the knowledge. The best part is you have no need to worry about how you will train your AI agent and how you can set up that technical infrastructure. Nothing. So what you can do here is come here. So in knowledge tab, you have multiple options over here like import from file, sync from Notion, sync from website. So and from a number of sources you can grab knowledge. Like it can be like if you have some PDF and if you want to extract some information out of it and add using add your PDF as a knowledge base, then you can explore using that, or else sync by Notion, connecting to the Notion and grab some things from out there. Sync from website. This is a crawling the website for the knowledge base. Whenever the prompt is triggered, it will crawl the website based on the given context, form the information, and then process it for as per your requirement what you have set in your prompt. And finally the tools are like it can be the existing tools like YouTube or audio or web scraper, like already we spoke about this, Google, GitHub. There are multiple tools at this place. We can set up some database connectivity as well, and or else we can give some other things like custom, like if you want to use some API provided from some other tool, for example YouTube or Hugging Face, some LLM model, which tools are not already there in pre-existing in Diffie. So we can simply set up the custom tool over here, set the API keys in place, and try to use it as a tool in our LLM. Okay, and MCP is nowadays a very popular model context protocol. So if any tool has a MCP support, we can simply set it up over here. It's a one-time job, and you can use it in all the LLMs which we are working going forward. So to start with, we can simply create a workflow here. I'll simply give demo, and I'll just simply give a description and simply click on create. So as simple as that, a canvas is generated and it is asking me what I want to choose here. Like I can choose LLM, knowledge base, knowledge retrieval directly, or start node agent. So I want to use LLM, and also I want to set something like act as a cook chef. Okay, and I'll simply also I'll click on plus and I'll end this up with end, and I'll simply say life cycle of our LLM is set. Like this is the start and this is the end and this is our LLM basic processing unit. Okay, and in my case I will simply add some variables. We need to use some input, right? Like I'll simply give it as query over here, query default value, uh, uh, create a recipe for healthy food. 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 Create a recipe for he good type. Okay, now what I will do, I'll simply come here, then act as a food chef, uh, and curate a recipe for me, recipe for, I'll simply use curly braces and choose the variable. Like it means like this is the basic prompt, like and this is the input which I am passing from my prompt. If I want to use AI for generating the prompt to me, I can use that. Simply come here, generate from AI. AI will generate a structured prompt for us, and simply click on apply, confirm. And now when you visit back here, yeah, you can see our prompt is restructured. I can see it is add as a food chef and curate a recipe for. Please provide the recipe name, a list of ingredients with quantity, step-by-step instruction, and any helpful tips. Okay, see, it's smart enough to get it. Okay, and now I am simply, yeah, our default value is pre-populated here. I simply tell uh, chicken fry. Okay, and you want LLM has started its job. See how nicely it has been giving us the output. I didn't wrote any formatting or anything. See, like it simply told, like this is the recipe name, this is the serving time, application time, ingredients, like marination guide. See how our AI is responding with simple 2 lines of prompt. So this is a use of LLM for making it work for us. Like in this way we can automate anything. A small problems can create a big impact. So this is a basic use case and how to use Diffy.
Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, would like to know more about us and follow us, do like, share and subscribe our channel, The Amo.